Honorable Dais, respected teachers, guests and here present all my friends. Today we have all gathered here to celebrate Friendship Day. Today I would like to tell you something about friends. Friends is a person who helps us to get in out of any danger. He is the only person who can help us make better decisions and be successful in our life. Friend is a person who understands us completely. Friend is a person with whom we can share all our sorrow and joy. With friends, we are always happy. Friend is a person which helps us every time. He, if we commit mistakes, he helps us. He helps us solve it. He tells us where we are wrong and helps us solve our mistakes. He helps us solve all of our problems. A friend in need is a friend indeed. Friend is a golden. Friendship is a golden chain. Friendship is like a diamond. It is unbreakable. I would like making 100 friends in a year is not a big thing, but keeping one friend for 100 years is a big thing. As per the time factor is concerned, it will be better to take your leave. Thank you for listening my speech silently.
Big hand.
Dear present, all my dear friends. Today we have all gathered here for celebrating Friendship Day. I would like to tell you something about friends. I hope that you will listen my few words silently. Friends is one of the most precious gifts in our life. Friends are those who helps you, enjoy with you, understanding you. Friends is that persons who understanding more than you. Friends should be choose carefully because good friends lead on us a good path, whereas bad friends may spoil our life. A good friend is person who will stand with you when times are tough. Friendship does not mean understanding and helping. True friends are pillars in our lives. A friendship is very special relationship in our life. Friendship, a friendship of Krishna and Sudama is the best example of our selfless bond of friendship. A friendship is always ready for sacrifice of sake of happiness of his friend. A friendship stands on the terms of mutual helps and understanding. You cannot choose your family, but you can choose your friends. I am very lucky to have a good friends. As far as time factor is concerned, it will be better to take your leave. Thanks for listening my speech silently.
Very
Thank
good.
you.
Big hand for her. Very good.
Honorable Dais, respected teacher, guests and here present all my dear friends. Today we are all gathered here for celebrating Friendship Day. On this occasion, I would like to tell you something about friends. I hope that you will listen my few words quietly. Friendships are very important persons in everyone's life. Friendship is a beautiful relationship in which we can share happy and sad moments. Friendship makes anyone's life beautiful and enjoyable. To cherish a very special relation, Friendship Day celebrated. In India, it is celebrated on first Sunday of August month. United Nations declared 30th July and International Friendship Day. In this day, people spend time with friends, exchange gifts and tie friendship bands on wrists. This day celebrated to show our feelings to friends and thanks for them for enjoyable life. Today I would like to thank for my friend for everything. Uh, as far as time factor is concerned, uh, as far as time factor is concerned, it will be better to take your leave. Thanks for listening my speech. Thank you.
Very good. Good try.
Honorable guides, respected teacher, guests, and here present all my dear friends. Today we are all gathered here for celebrating Friendship Day. On this occasion, I would like to tell you something about friends. I hope that you will listen my favorite silently. Friendship is one of the most precious gifts of the life. Friends are those who understand you, help you, and know you and enjoy with you. We know many people in our life, but not all are our friends. Friend is that person who understands you more than you. Friend should be chosen carefully because a true friend can lead us on a good path, whereas a bad friend may spoil our life by leading us on wrong path. Or bad time makes us realize about our good and bad friends. A good friend is that person who will support you and stand by you when times are tough. Friendship doesn't mean only understanding and helping. It nurtures some patience, love, naughtiness, etc. Also, friends are the pillar of the life. They are the special and precious gift that we have achieved. We should learn to love, care, and affection with our friends. It's difficult to imagine life without friends. A single thought of friend leaving us make us scared. Such is the significance of friendship. It's a divine relation which is very different from blood relations. We may not be able to choose our family, but we can definitely choose our friends. It's a special bond which becomes stronger as time flies. Having a good friend is like a blessing. We can share many of our feelings with our friends. At last, I would like to say that it's very difficult to across a true friendship. Hence we should appreciate it. A true friendship is like a blessing, and we should save it, and we should care of true friends. As far as time factor is concerned, it will be better to take you leave. Thanks for listening my speech silently. Thank you very much.
Big hand for us. Very good.
Honorable guests, respected teachers, guests, and here present to all my dear friends. Today we are all gathered here for celebrating Friendship Day. On this occasion, I would like to tell you something about friends. I hope you will listen my few words silently. Friendship is the most valuable and precious bond in our lives. As a human being, we are meant to make friendship easily because we are meant for living together as a group. Friendship comes with own baggage of good or bad. It is with friends that we can share our feelings, which would otherwise we cannot be shared with family. It is if only memories that we have in our schools and college is that of our friends and the good times we had. As far as time factor is concerned, it will be better to take your leave. Thanks for listening my speech silently. Thank you very much.
Tried well.